So today we're going to be making a popular Cuban dish called picadillo, and for this recipe we're going to be using lentils as our protein. For this recipe we will be using 14 ingredients, starting with 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, 1 cup of diced red bell pepper, 1 cup of diced green bell pepper, 1 cup of diced onion, and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Next we will be using 4 cups of lentils, 1 cup of chopped green olives, 1 cup of raisins, and 1 tablespoon of capers. We will then need a 14-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of tamari sauce, and 1 cup of chopped cilantro. And our final ingredient for this recipe will be 2 cups of cooked rice. So we will begin by heating the pan to a medium-high and adding in our oil. And then we're also going to add in our onions, along with our green and red bell peppers. So now that we've sauteed the onions and peppers for about 5 minutes, we can now begin to add in our garlic. And then just mix this in together. So next, let's add the protein to this recipe. So for this recipe, we're going to be using lentils. So now it's time to add in the olives, the capers, and then the raisins. And then again, just mix these together. So now we could add in the tomato sauce, and then the tamari. So next we're bringing the mixture together by adding in the tomato paste. And then mix this well together. And for the final step of this recipe, we can now fold in the cilantro. So after cooking for another 5 minutes, the tomato paste has thickened up the recipe and is now ready to serve. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and another thank you to Chef Nawara for collaborating with me on this recipe. And if you like this video, please hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see anything that you want me to demonstrate, like your favorite recipe, please leave a comment down below. But now it's time for me to eat, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!